Hi, I'm Dr. Jan, owner of Chrysalis Chiropractic in Mankato, Minnesota, here helping you transform your life. So how often do you find your kids sitting like that? Or how often are you maybe sitting like that? Today we're going to talk about ways that you can improve your posture when you're using your cell phone. So the first thing that you can do is just what I did, is to sit up straight. So if you're sitting like this and you're on your phone, oftentimes when you want to sit up straight, people tend to use their upper body to sit up straight. And that's usually not very easy, and it takes a lot of effort. So the best way to do it is to take your pelvis and to rock it forward. And if you just put your hands on your hips and you just rock that forward, you'll feel that all of a sudden you're starting to get a curve, a nice curve in your lower back. And what happens is that just automatically brings your shoulders back into a much better position. Because if you rock your pelvis forward and you don't come up, you're going to just be sitting like this, and I don't think anybody wants to sit like that. So you're rocking your pelvis forward, and that brings those shoulders up. And now when you're on your phone, instead of holding it down like this, you want to hold it up like this, because it's going to, again, keep a nice angle in your neck. And then if you want to add exercises into it, what you can do is have the phone turned to the side and be reading it, and then turn it to the front and turn it to the side, and you can still be reading the book or whatever it is that you're reading, or your email. And this way you're incorporating movement into the neck, and you're getting some movement into the shoulders, which is going to bring the shoulders back as well. Because when we're on our phone, we have our shoulders forward and our neck forward. So this allows us to come back and not only bring the neck up, but also to bring the shoulders back by moving that phone side to side. This is obviously another position that you don't want to put your phone and your neck in, and your shoulder, because by doing this, you're pulling your shoulder up, and that tightens up all the muscles in your neck and shoulder. And by tipping your neck to the side, that is also tightening up all the muscles in your neck. And then when you go to straighten back out, you could potentially get a muscle cramp, or you could even be causing misalignments in your neck. So please avoid doing this with your phone. So what do you do when you find yourself in a situation where you need to use both of your hands and you're on the phone? I suggest putting it on speakerphone and maybe just tuck it in your shirt if you can. Or if you're wearing a hat, maybe you could pull the hat out and tuck it in your hat, and you could still hear what they're saying and still talk and have a conversation. Or perhaps you can just say, you know what, I need to call you back.